All right, I'm going to do this one a little differently. And the reason for that is I'm noticing something right from the get-go. I notice that this thing here and this thing here, they're just reciprocals of one another. So I'm going to say u is equal to, this is different than the problem set, by the way, 3x over 4 minus 5x. So what does that mean? It means 1 over u would be 4 minus 5x over 3x. And I see those. What do I see? I see u. That's the 3x divided by 4 minus 5x. And I see the other one, which is 1 over u. Now, by the way, this makes it easier for me, but this may make it a nightmare for other people. Now, what I would do is I would multiply both sides by 6u now. Let's go through that. That's the LCD, by the way. What do you get? 6u squared minus 6 equals minus 5u. All right, I think I did okay. 6u squared plus 5u minus 6 equals 0. And you know I'm going to try to avoid the quadratic formula. And let's see what we get over here. I'm kind of looking at it. I'm going to say maybe 3u and 2u. And then I'm going to say 3 and 2. And I'm going to say plus minus. Let's see how we did in this one over here. What do you get? Well, you get 6u squared, certainly. You get minus 6 in the end, certainly. Do we get the middle, which is 5u? Well, 9 minus 4 is 5. Works beautifully. So what's u? U could be 2/3, or the u could be minus 3/2. Now, someone says, I'm done. You're not done. You didn't want u. You wanted x. And I got it right over here. Let's write this down. So 2/3, we'll check the key later, by the way, is equal to 3x over 4 minus 5x. That's an easy equation to solve. That's going to be 8 minus 10x equals 9x. Let me make sure I did that right. 8 minus 10. Yeah, I did it right. 8 equals 19x, or x equals 8/19. All right, let's do the other one. That's minus 3/2 equals 3x over 4 minus 5x. Well, what do you get there? You get minus 12 plus 15x. That's 6x. You get minus 12 equals minus 9x. And you would get x equals 12/9, which is 4/3. All right, let's look at the key. And let's make sure we got those answers staring at us. We got this one over here, again, by a different approach, and this one over here, 8/19. What did they do? They did not do that. They just simply cleared the fraction, multiplied it out, got the quadratic, get the quadratic formula, and they're going to get the same exact answer. Here's the deal, though. You do what you're comfortable doing. Don't think that one way is better than another. It's your way to the answer that's important. Now, by the way, before I say that these are correct answers, I want to point out answers that would be really bad to come up with would be x equals 0. I'd immediately have a division by 0. And what's the other really bad answer? Again, x could never be equal to 0. What's the other really bad answer if I come up with? That would be 4/5. I didn't get either of those. I didn't check these, though. You could check them, and they should validate the original problem, by the way. All right? Thank you.